Yes, welcome. My name is Maurice, the Crochet Master, and this time around we are doing extended dreads for kids. Yes, last time I posted a video and everyone was talking about it because of the broken hairline about the extended dreads. Guys, I've been teaching about these extended dreads for couple of for more than I don't know. I have videos showing you guys how to do it, more videos even showing you how to unlock these extended dreads, and they are very protective. So there's when I uploaded a video of plating a kid and the hairline was like this, and I got comments like everyone were like, the hairline is very bad, someone the hair is going to break, what. But God, I understand, but there's something that you don't know about these dreads. Number one, when you plait, like now we're plating a kid, though I always advise to start plating kids from 6 years and above. Yes, that is my advice. Because now I don't know the way. I don't know if the way I play it, it's the way someone else is going to play it. Because nowadays there are a lot of dreads, those of extensions, and those of there are two different dreads. But why anyone can trust his or her dreads. But anyway, why I like these dreads of mine is that those ones who have seen the video on how to undread these dreadlocks, at least you can witness how good it is and how you can undread and remain with your hair. So I won't talk about much about these dreads, but I'd like to explain more about this. So when you find someone's hair, let me see how I use this thumbnail as I'm pulling it. It's just very soft. You understand? I use this when I've applied my molding gel, so passing date is very easy. And another thing, my extended dreads, they are very soft, and I do it like a sponge, in that you might look at it, maybe you see, let's say, like it's big, but when you try to hold it, it looks small. So here's when I would like to come and explain to you that someone with broken hairline, so now like this kid, we all know that our kids most of the times they don't have hairline in front. We all know that, but that one doesn't mean that we shouldn't plait them dreads. No way. It's just because we just have to plait them dreads, but differently, in that the way we space the kids is not the way we space the adults. You understand what I'm saying? So like here in front, you can see that at least I've tried to space them a lot. I've tried to overspace them a lot than these for the adults. Why? It's just because I want them to be few on her head so that it is comfortable for her. But though already it is comfortable because it is soft and it is short for her. And then when it comes to the front hairline, I know that by the time she's going to unplay these dreads, because that's why I always even choose to play it like off black, because off black is dirty, is like it's already off. So when you play it a kid, you know, they like playing a lot. Even if it gets dirty, it won't show. And still, this hair, we all know that it lasts longer. You understand? So it means her hair is in front is going to be growing back. Is going to be growing as this one is also there. So what we always do is that we make sure that the way I've been explaining to you, that you have to make sure that you leave a quarter inch when you're plating, when you're locking. But you see, even here you can lock even 2 times. That means it was even not a quarter inch like the way I always played the elder ones. You understand? Though in front I like it to leave it a quarter inch, like the way I've seen me locking, just because I'm the one doing there. And another thing is that in front, when you do like when you lock like twice or thrice, that dread looks like it is repaired. You understand? So by the time the client comes back to do repair, it looks bad. Like the extension looks already, like the extension move from the hair. You understand? So this hair is very, very protective for the kids. And in fact, I will have to prove you wrong that when this kid comes back, I'll have to show you how I unplaited it and how she had to come back with her hair, even the hairline, when it is there very, very well. So the only trick here that I do when she comes back, let's say we're going to repair, you don't get to say I'm applying the anti-itchy, because this is always applied after doing it. So I don't get to say when you see this, I always tell you, when you see Hair by Clippers, that is my personal salon. Yes, you can go and I explain more. You can go and follow, subscribe to that page so that I can explain more about these extended dreads and the weave-ons that I always use. It is all there. So how these dreads are solved, it means the kid is going to stay with it for long. You see her hairline, and these kids most of the time they have their baby hairline. So someone might go in my comment section and be like, hey, the hairline is all broken, but it's not like that. Sometimes they have baby hair and we don't want to stress this baby hair. You're not supposed to lock them. You understand? You see, it's all baby hair. It's all baby hair, for the good heaven's sake. And this is the same thing that I did when I did natural tangle for a kid. A lot of people came out and were like, why do you torture a kid? Why do you torture a kid? But trust me, these dreads, if they are painful, a kid cannot stand it. We all know, those of us who have ever been plaiting dreads, they all know that when it is painful, it can be painful. But when it comes to these extended dreads, there's the way we just have to do them to make them soft, and even we manage to balance it with the hair. You understand? So I cannot come here in front like on that lock that I've done in front and I put a long dread for that kid. So it means I have to balance it that way. So for more information about all that, please, let's try to mix this channel, Hair by Clippers, plus this mine, so that you get to learn more about this. I'm gonna sign out. Bye bye. See you guys.